Today we are going to look at rounding more difficult numbers to the nearest thousand. As we recall, rounding to the nearest thousand means changing a number to numbers like 1000, 2000, 3000, and so on. Let's work through the first example together. Round 3174 to the nearest thousand. Look at the number line. We can see that 3174 sits between 3000 and 4000. Since 3174 sits closer to 3000, we round down. This means that 3174, rounded to the nearest thousand, is 3000. Let's have a look at the second example. Round 9500 to the nearest thousand. We can see that 9500 sits between 9000 and 10,000. We can also see that 9500 sits exactly in the middle of 9000 and 10,000. This means we round up to 10,000. As we recall, when we round a number that's first digit is 9 and also crosses over to the next place value, we gain an extra digit. So we write a 1 in the 10,000's place value and fill the empty place values with zeros. This means that 9500, rounded to the nearest thousand, is 10,000. Now it's your turn.